G'day guys, this is Paul from Caravan and Camping Life. Today we've got an Avida Motorhome, and it's something that a lot of you probably don't know what we do. And in this particular van, what we've done is we've converted their chemical toilet to the latest waterless toilet, which is a Clesana. And we're going to show you what we've done. All right, let's have a look at this toilet, guys. So normally in this particular van, it was a chemical toilet, and it was sitting in this direction here, and the customer would swivel the toilet around. In this case, we didn't have to do that because we don't need the cartridge to be pulled out from the outside. So we've closed that up nice and neat. As you can see, it looks like it's factory. Ran new cables to the Clesana toilet because they've got to be rated. And this is basically how the toilet works. There's a bag that's put in there. You do your number ones or number twos. Press the button on the actual control panel. You can see the control panel there tells you how many bags you've got left. You can have a larger bag or a smaller bag. There's satchels to put inside there if you're doing your number ones. Press the button, let it do its business. It's got a cycle, it'll cycle through. Basically, once it's finished, it'll seal the bag and cut the bag off. You'll grab the bag from down here. So this is the very first one, and that's the sealing process. It cuts it nice and neat, ready for the next one to be used. And then this can be disposed of in a rubbish bin. Nice and simple, clean, don't see anything. I think it's a great idea. A lot of people are looking at upgrading their toilets to this system. Control panel is really easy to use. This is a motorhome. We obviously do them in caravans. We're getting lots and lots of inquiries and people wanting to convert their toilets. Even composting toilets, we're getting people moving from composting toilets to these toilets as well. We do both. So if you want a composting toilet, we can install a composting toilet. But the Clesana toilet has become really, really popular. I think it makes a lot of sense. I've actually put one in my van. We'll have a look at the outside and show you what the baggage door looks like once we've finished it off. So the benefits really of this toilet is, I found with the chemical toilet, with my family or with me and my wife, every 2 days I was out there emptying that toilet, and we used it. We used the toilets. So I found it annoying 2 days, and I had to go and empty it and clean it. With this thing, you just do your business. You don't have to take them all out at one time, so it does store up to 3 usage in that container at the bottom, and then it's just a matter of disposing them correctly into a garbage bin. I think it's a lot simpler, a lot easier. I definitely think it's worth the upgrade. Look, guys, at Caravan and Camping Life, not only do we do Clesana toilets, we convert cafe lounges and club lounges and to recliners. A lot of people are looking at upgrading, sore backs, living in their caravans. They want comfort. So that's another thing we do. We also are a service centre, so we do the whole servicing. We're a repair centre, so if you've got any insurance work, or if you want to upgrade your caravan, we're doing all upgrades. So you might have the old cladding style caravans and you want to go the one-piece aluminium sheets. We're doing that. We do everything in-house here. So, if there's anything that you need done, don't hesitate to give us a call. Paul from Caravan and Camping Life, 0466 935 487. Give us a buzz. You'll be surprised.